ఈరోజు ప్రెస్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ కారణం ఏంటి, ఫేక్ కరెన్సీ గురించి. ఇది ఒక వారంలో 3 ఘటనలు జరిగినాయికి ఇమీడియట్లీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తే మన వాళ్ళు అక్కడ వెళ్ళి దే హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఏబుల్ టు సీజ్ and ensure that a proper timely action is being taken so that these people are not able to send these notes inside the public domain, which will result in a lot of problem. ఇది కేసులో చూస్తే ఈ కొరింగా పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ కట్టిన కేసు అండర్ సెక్షన్ 489A, B, C and D సెక్షన్స్ అండ్ చీటింగ్ సెక్షన్స్ రెడ్ విత్ 34 IPC. దాంట్లో 5 అక్యూజ్ ఉన్నారు. ఒకటి డంగటి శ్రీనివాసరావు అండ్ హిస్ సన్ డంగటి వెంకట బ్రహ్మాజీ. They own a studio and a Xerox shop center. And as you can see all these notes, these are normal A4 size papers where using Photoshop and other computer methods they have been able to develop these notes. Over the last 3 months, they are being preparing this, and which has resulted into this. Timely we got the information, we were able to seize it. So further during the investigation we could find out one victim by name Bokka Narayana. From them, these people wanted to purchase this statue which is in front of us, Nagadevata statue only. So they were ready to pay 36 lakhs for it, and already 10 lakhs worth of fake currency they had given it to him. The Srinivas Rao previously has worked in agency area as carpenter, and there he was again involved in such things like color stones and illegal other businesses. So from there he has got that illegal bent of mind. Previously no cases are there, but we'll sure that those cases also he is taken into account. And other A3, A4, A5 happens to be Ramdu, Malavu and Ram Kumar. They are friends of Brahmaji and they have been participating in it. Total worth of 88,74,500 worth of notes we have seized. That load 2,000 currency nominations, 84,22,000 and 500 rupees note, 4,52,000. One CPU, one monitor, one color printer and scanner belonging to Epson company, and one Nagadevata idol has been seized from the accused. So in this entire operation, the information given from SB has been acted upon by the DSP Vimarao. Right now he is not present here. CI Murali Krishna and the staff all have worked together very well. Our additional SP Edwin Kumar has been able to motivate them and continuously guide what are the actions being taken. These are in the strict accordance with the guidelines from the government and our chief office, DGP sir and DG sir. In accordance with that, we are working and trying to ensure that these kind of illegal activities are minimized. As we speak, in Kaukati case, Ambajipeta lo jariginayi. In that 3.5 lakh worth of currency was again seized from 3 accused, and already they have been remanded as well. So at this point, I really appreciate the entire teamwork put by my team and the consistent help of the media and public in this regard. From future also, we will always urge people to cooperate with us, and in case of any such information, immediately pass on to us. Thank you. ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను, బట్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు లేదు. బికాజ్ ఇక్కడ క్వాలిటీ చూస్తే సింపుల్ జీరోస్గా ఉంది, సో టైం పడుతుందా. ఓకే.